is our part over our whole is our percent over 100. So we're going to work on setting more of these up and solving them, and then we do have some work to do at the end. But if we're working ahead, then we're doing double homework. If you don't have a calculator, trot up there and grab one. Make it quick and quiet. Quick and quiet.
Are we doing the whole?
I don't know. It depends on how many we need. All right. Okay, so we're going to start with number 1. All right, it says, number 1, 34 students in Mr. Jones's math class passed the final exam. There are 40 students in his class total. What percent of students passed? So it's asking me to find the percent. So I know that the X is going to go over the 100 because I'm finding the percent. Okay? Then it gave me 2 other numbers. It gave me 34 and 40. Do not yell it out. But I want everybody right now to think, is 34 the part or is 40 the part? Hold on. All right, so now which one do you think is the part? 34. 34 is only part of the 40 students that are in his class. So I'll put 34 in the part over 40 in the whole. Part over whole. All right, and then I'm going to solve that. So 34 times 100 is 3,400. 40 times x is 40x. And then I'm going to divide by 40. And my answer, this is the percent. And it is 85%.
Oh,
Okay.
could you like explain it? I know you're, but like I'm still kind of confused.
We're going to do another one. We're going to do 8.
No, but that one's like
I'm going to skip around.
more like confusing.
Well, if you all weren't staring at each other laughing at your hoods, you probably would have heard me with her. So.
All right, number 4. We're going to go number 4 next. Out of the 4,500 people who attend a rock concert, 46% purchase a t-shirt. How many people buy a t-shirt? Well, it told me 46%. So I know 100% that 46 is going over the 100. Why are Chromebooks still open? Why are we looking at them? So right here, it told me 46%. So I know that 46 is going above the 100 because the percent goes above the 100. So 46 over the 100. Now, the only other number that they gave me is 4,500. I've got to decide, and in your head, do not scream this out yet, if 4,500 is the part of the people or the whole of the people, like all of the people. So hold on, but everybody tends to think about it.
All of the whole.
I didn't ask. It's not funny.
No,
Because my 4-year-old can follow a one-step simple direction. I figured you could too. All right, Fuller, is it the part or the whole? The whole, because it's out of the 4,500 people who attend the rock concert. So that's everybody that attended. That's the whole amount that attended. It's going to go on the bottom because my whole goes on the bottom. And then I'm going to put X in my part because I'm finding the part of people that bought what? T-shirts. All right, and then I'm going to cross multiply. So X times 100 is 100X. And then 4,500 times 46 is 207,000. And then I'm going to divide by 100. So on my calculator, that tells me that I got 2,070, and that would be people. Those are the people that bought t-shirts. All right, we're gonna do number 3 together. All right, number 3. 68% of Valley Creek school students attend this year's homecoming dance. If 459 students attended the dance, how many students are there in the school? So obviously it told me 68%. Guys, you gotta read with me. 68%. So the 68% is gonna go above the 100 because that's where the percent goes. It says if 459 students attended the dance, how many students are there in the school? You've got to decide right now, not out loud, if 459 is part of the students or all of the students. So let's all think about it in our heads. In our heads. It's in our heads. All right, everybody says that it is the heart. 459 are only part of the students because they're asking me, how many students are there in the school? So that would be the whole school. I'm just saying that there's 459 that went to the dance. And I'm gonna find how many are total in the school. So 459 times 100 is 45,900. 68 times x is 68x. And I'll divide that by 68. So 4, 5, 9, 0. And I find that there were 675 students in the school. All right, I want you all to do number 2. Number 2 is on your paper. I know you can't see it all the way up there, but it's on your paper. Number 2 is on your paper. What about the chocolate? You should be on number 2. Not working ahead. All right, so if you're having trouble setting it up, it says 15% of a bag of chocolate candies have red coating on them. How many red candies are in a bag of 60? So 15%, the percent always goes where? Above the 100. So everybody should be able to get that, because that's the most straightforward part. The percent goes over the 100. It says, how many red pieces are in a bag of 60 candies? So is the 60 candies part of the bag or the whole bag? Just tell me.
Whole bag.
The whole bag. There's 60 candies in the whole bag. So 60 is going on the bottom, and I'm going to find the part that are red. Red. So that's how you should have set it up. So x times 100 is 100x. 60 times 15 is 900. And then I'll divide by 100. And Aiden, what'd you get? 9. So there are 9 red candies. All right, try number 5 now. What? Try number 5.
5. Now.
So even if you're not able to figure out where the number goes, you should know that the 95% goes where?
Not over.
Over the 100. The percent always goes over the 100. So Nina sells 95%. The percent always goes over the 100. She sold 475 cookies.
Where did you get the money from?
In the problem, Nina sells 95%.
Oh.
Now, it says that she sold 475 cookies. How many cookies did she make altogether? So, in our heads, we're thinking 475. Is that part of her cookies or were that all of her cookies? It's only part of her cookies because they're asking me to find how many did she make altogether. So the 475 is going in the parts and I'm finding the total amount that she made. Hold on a minute. So part over whole. So then 475 times 100 is 47,500. 95 times x is 95x. Divide by 95. And Aiden, how many did she make? 500?
Yeah.
500 cookies. All right, I want you all to try number 7. Number 7.
There's no percent, so that's where you're wondering.
Your ex.
Number 7. He's asking me what percent, that's over there, so we're gonna figure out which one is the part and which is the whole.
There wasn't a percent, so.
Yeah, if it's on a percent, that means that your X is gonna be your percent.
You know one of the mental properties of life. There's a whole.
Yeah.
I do it. Happens to go to.
So it says they sell 138 pounds of candy on Tuesday, they sold 71.6 tons of jelly. So is the jelly beans all the candy that is sold or part of the candy that is sold?
Oh. Nobody should get that.
So when it doesn't give you, when it doesn't give you the percentage, that means X is the percentage. So it says what percent? Part is the 138 is here. What percent?
Hold up, wait a minute. He's on his Chromebook. He's on his Chromebook. He's on his Chromebook. Yeah, because you just press, so you can't say anything. Hold up, can I see that?
Gomez.
That was an accident.
Alright, well, stop goofing off. I'm tired of pressing you today.
Sorry.
Alright, number 7.
Hold up, I'm not done.
I'm just gonna set it up. Candy Shack sells 138 pounds of candy. They sold 71.76 pounds of jelly beans. What percent were jelly beans? What percent were jelly beans? The percent I don't know, so that's why the X is going over the 100, because that's where the percent goes. Okay, and then I look at it, I've got two numbers, 71.6 jelly beans and 138 pounds of candy. Seamus, which one is the part?
Oh, that's 71.6.
The 71.6, because the jelly beans are only part of what they sold. They sold 138 pounds, but the jelly beans were only one type of candy that they sold, part of it. And then 71.76 times 100 is 7176 equals 138x. Divide by 138, and what do we get?
52.
I think it's not a whole number. But 7176 divided by 138. Oh, it is 50. Okay.
I got confused on the part. After I divided 71.76 by 100, I didn't know what to put under. Because I thought I was.
Well, you always cross multiply, so you multiply these two, and that's where that came from.
Yeah,
Then I multiply these two, that's where that came from. And then it's a one-step equation. I divide by the number that's with the X. All right, try number 8, and then I'll be done talking.
What about number 6?
I don't want to do number 6.
I can't fix it.
I don't care. All right. Number 8. Number 8. Ocho. 8. Oh.
Bonjour.
Totally.
Bon appetit.
That's all I know. Okay, number 8.
Hey.
Bon apple.
There's no.
I'm hungry.
Stop talking.
Number 8.
Yeah, right.
Why are you not bringing it in? I'm going. No, we're not.
Hold on, Miss Wilson, can you come over here and stand right here, right? Bro, how was that not supposed to be acting like I'm on your part. I didn't get no answer.
The PA 045.
Alright, so fundraiser in the school raises $617.50. They sent $580.45 to the local charities. What percent? I don't know percent, so my X is going over the 100 because I'm finding the percent. So, one of those is all of the money, one of those is part of the money. Which one is all of the money?
617.
$617.50, and that means part of the money is the $580.45. Cross multiply, and you should have got 94%.
Oh, I totally.
Okay, I'm gonna show you.
Hold on.
How did you get the 94?